Ever pondered the health benefits of the golden elixir that is peanut oil? This versatile oil, with its rich history, has been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries. Originating from the humble peanut, it's the result of a natural extraction process that captures the essence of this nutrient-packed legume. But the magic of peanut oil extends far beyond the culinary realm. It's a key player in skincare, making waves with its emollient properties that leave the skin soft, supple, and youthful. And let's not forget its role in hair care, nourishing and strengthening strands for that enviable shine. And here's the kicker. It's also packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and a host of vitamins that contribute to overall health and wellness. That's right, peanut oil isn't just for cooking. It's a treasure trove of health benefits. Peanut oil is a powerhouse of health benefits. Curious to know how? Let's dive in. This golden elixir is rich in monounsaturated fats, a heart's best friend, helping to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's also packed with vitamin E and other antioxidants, fighting free radicals and protecting our cells from damage. Skincare enthusiasts, listen up. Peanut oil's emollient properties make it a fantastic natural moisturizer, keeping skin soft and youthful. And let's not forget about hair care. It nourishes and strengthens hair, promoting healthy growth and adding shine. Feeling inflamed or irritated? Peanut oil contains beta-sitosterol, a compound that helps soothe and reduce inflammation. Plus, it's a good source of vitamin K, essential for bone health and preventing osteoporosis. And there's more. Consuming peanut oil in moderation aids digestion, supports immune function, and provides a quick energy boost. Impressive, isn't it? But that's not all. Peanut oil is also a culinary delight. Did you know that peanut oil's high smoke point makes it a chef's best friend? It's true. Its heat-resistant properties make it the ideal choice for frying and sautéing, locking in flavor while ensuring a crispy finish. Think of your favorite stir-fry or deep-fried delicacy. There's a good chance peanut oil was the secret ingredient behind that delectable crunch. But the versatility of peanut oil doesn't stop at the kitchen door. It's also a key player in the world of beauty and skincare. Rich in vitamin E and emollients, it's a natural moisturizer that leaves skin feeling soft and supple. You can even whip up DIY beauty recipes, like a rejuvenating face mask or a nourishing hair treatment. In every drop of this golden elixir, there's a promise of vibrant health and vitality. From heart health to hair care, peanut oil truly is nature's all-purpose elixir for vibrant living.